All right, today should be a fairly swift video. Today is 11th of June 2024, and as you can see, I'm on the Netlick tab, and data has been downloaded until the 4th of June, 4th of June here. Okay, the way Netlick works, as well as deposit, buying power, and buying power usage, we are looking at end of last trading day data. So given it's 11th of June in the morning for me, the last end of day trading day will be June the 10th. So I'm expecting to see data from the 4th onwards until the 10th of June. So let's go to Tasty and click on Add New Net Liquidations. Should take a couple of seconds. Here we are. You can see it downloaded data from the 4th onwards, so 5, 6, 7, and the 10th of June. Obviously stopping, not fetching data from the 11th, because it's not end of the trading day yet. So that's pretty much all it is to it. You can look at the Netlick chart. It should update also automatically with the latest data from 10th of June in this case. That's it for today. Thank you.